Today we are going to make an East Asian style spicy, ginger cabbage dish. It's low sugar, low fat and low in calories. But it's high in nutrients and tastiness, which is perfect for Weight Watchers and diabetics alike. Cabbage is rich in vitamins, minerals, phytocides and enzymes. For instance, it's full of vitamin C and antioxidants. This veggie helps lower the risk of certain diseases too. It also helps combat dangerous inflammation in your body. However, it can be a little, shall we say, dull to eat. So, to counteract this, here's a recipe you'll love. And keep watching for 3 amazing health benefits of cabbage that few people know. Firstly, choose a good-sized cabbage like this. Slice this in 2 equal halves. Now roughly tear the leaves into bite-sized pieces. By doing this, you will enable the full flavor of the cabbage to flood out. And it's also more visually appealing. Either wash the leaves in a colander, or immerse them in a bowl of water. Don't forget to add a pinch of salt. Let this stand for about 10 minutes. Now it's time to think about making a sauce. First off, we need to choose a piece of fresh ginger. This needs to be about the size of your thumb. Peel it, and then chop into small pieces like this. Next, take 4 or 5 cloves of garlic, and cut and chop them this way. Put them into a small bowl. Now take some dried chili flakes. You can use fresh chilies if you prefer. Time for a few whole black peppercorns. Please feel free to like, share and comment on this video. And subscribe to ensure you see more videos like this. Now back to the cooking. At this stage, prepare about 5 scallions or chives. Chop them into small rounds. Now pour into a different bowl 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and a little salt. We also require 1 tablespoon of fine oatmeal. However, you can also use cornmeal if you don't have oatmeal to hand. Use a splash of apple cider vinegar, about a tablespoon will do. You can use balsamic vinegar as a substitute. Include a tablespoon of chia seeds. Now add 150 to 200 milliliters of water to the mix. And stir well. After washing the cabbage in clean water, place it in a pan. Drizzle over some olive oil. Each piece of cabbage should be covered by the oil. Pour a little water into the pan, and bring the water to boil to steam the cabbage. Continue on a high heat for 1 to 2 minutes and then put to one side. At this stage, it's time to cook the other vegetables. You will need to fry them for about 30 seconds on a high heat. Now it's time to combine the veggies with the cabbage. Carry on cooking for another 30 seconds. Then introduce the sauce. And go on cooking for another half a minute or so. Here's the 3 amazing benefits of cabbage which most people don't know. Did you know eating cabbage can stimulate your pancreas? This can help reduce your blood sugar. Eating this veggie can have a positive influence on your circulation and heart health. Cabbage can also help your body fight bacterial infections. This recipe is so versatile. As part of a meal, it's great served with lean chicken, salmon or pork. Most kinds of seafood can also be eaten with this dish too. So why not give it a try? Have a good day, be healthy and try this recipe and tell us what you think.